Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect your MPP solar inverter into your laptop. MPP solar inverter comes with the cable, one side having COM port, other side is having RJ45 jack. Most of the old PCs do have COM port like this where you can fix, but laptops don't have a COM port. Therefore, you need to buy an RS232 to USB such as this. However, I have purchased 3 of these converters. All were defective. All the 3 defective cables I bought are similar to this, where the chip is directly connected to these wires like this. You can carefully see. Then I found this piece where the chip is not built into the mode, but it is separately welded like this. This piece actually works fine. So you have to find this kind of converter to convert from RS232 to USB. Most of the Chinese cables which are available in eBay and Amazon, they don't work. If they don't work, please return them and claim your money back. Okay, let's try this. Download and install WatchPower. If you have not done it so, I have given the link to download the latest version in the description. You can download it. Let's connect this one here like this. Done. Now I will connect it here. You can see the sound. If you have not configured your RS232 to 5 adapter, you can do it by going into device manager and check here your ports. USB serial CH340 at confine. So this is the chipset you have to choose from the available one. CH340 chipset is much better and it works well, and you have to select the proper serial to USB communication port. Now I will connect this RJ45 port to the inverter. Let's wait. It has come. Yeah, see, once I connected it, it is showing me the data. Yes, right, everything is here. Now you can view all the inverter data here, as well as it will start logging the data into your computer. If you keep on connected like this, at any given time you can go into the data and view the data here. Click the browse icon, it will show you the data, and as well as in the chart format also you can look. If you go like this, some all data is here which I have downloaded. So you can select a month, day or year, hour even, and view the data. I will say day, today, and browse. So you will see AC voltage curve, AC frequency curve, PV input curve, and output apparent power curve, then now active power curve. All the charts you can view from this WatchPower app. That's how you connect your WatchPower application on a laptop into the MPP solar inverter. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.